Hey guys, Jaybee Rants. So, what's really interesting is I've been in several chats in the last, all I do is I work and I do online politics and I sleep and I eat food. That's basically my life. And I've seen a lot of people in a lot of different chats, and now I just saw one in Gramps, and I can't even tell. I'm not going to name the person, but I can't tell if they're being sarcastic with me or whatever. But talking about flat Earth. So here's what flat Earth is. But first, we have to establish what flat Earth is not. So what flat Earth is not is a sun 93 million miles away, and then ball Mercury, ball Venus, dinner plate Earth floating in space, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. All balls. Except a flat disk Earth floating in space like a dinner plate. That's not what flat Earth is. That's what Google tells you flat Earth is. What flat Earth really is that the center of all creation is a flat, immovable plane, which the sector that we call Earth is all the land that we know. And there are lots of luminaries up there, lots of things that we call planets, that when you zoom in with a telescope, you just see sort of blurry, they almost look like plasma fields when you zoom in on them. And they say, oh, that's because they're so far away. All right? Well, why don't you get some better fucking telescopes? Flat Earth is that we are the center of creation. And flat doesn't mean that there are not mountains and there are not valleys. Doesn't mean that at all. What it means is that we're the center of creation and everything revolves around us. That's all real flat Earth is. And if you want to get into it deeper, you can look into Flat Earth Dave. He describes it a lot better and in much more detail, but that's how I understand it, and it makes a lot more sense than us spinning and whirling at thousands and millions of miles an hour, chasing the sun, chasing the other planets, and yet the star Polaris, like we saw at the Georgia Guidestones, always remains perfectly in the same spot. The star Polaris never, ever changes. And they destroyed the Georgia Guidestones. Anyway, that's all, JB.